कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है। Let every patriot be honored. Don't let politics get in the way. Without them, freedom would have died. What they did, we can't repay. Paying reverence to honorable chief guests, venerable principal sir, respected teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. First of all, my most hearted welcome to everyone present in this very virtual Independence Day 2020. I would like to also wish a very happy 74th Independence Day to everyone. The land of various festivals, languages, god and goddess, culture, where individuals from different communities, religions, tradition live together as Indian. No wonder India is incredible. On the 15th of August, our nation got independence 73 years ago, and we all are proud to say that we got this achievement after a lot of struggle and innumerable number of sacrifices. We all are familiar with the fact of our history of independence. We all know the sacrifices made by our great freedom fighters. First of all, I want to salute those soldiers who are on the borders and saving us. We should have to aware about the pride and courage of our brave freedom fighter, and it is the day when we forget all our culture difference and united as Indian. But we should have to remember that it should not be the single day in the whole life to be united. We should act like a nation each and every second of our life. As we got independence due to the effort of the whole nation, not from the effort of a single person. Because it is said that there is a strength in the unity. न पूछो जमाने को क्या हमारी कहानी है, न पूछो जमाने को क्या हमारी कहानी है। हमारी पहचान तो सिर्फ यह है कि हम सिर्फ हिंदुस्तानी हैं। India is a country which was once called the golden word, but today the same golden word is imprisoned in some evil case. Today we work abroad for some money. Today we feel blessed by our speaking mother tongue. Today we all wanted to wear western dresses instead of wearing traditional clothes. Today the whole world is growing rapidly. In the same way, India is also developing in the fields of science and technology. But we are also forgetting our culture and tradition. We should have to remember that it is our culture that makes us different from the world. We got freedom since 73 years ago, but even now we are deprived in the field of education, health infrastructure, and overall well-being economy. McLean system of education is still continuing in our nation, which is responsible for the backwardness of our society. Is it necessary to eschew the education system, and the clamor should be relentless on. In the present scene of COVID-19, we have seen the health infrastructure of our country in the lethargic manner. It is necessary to improve this type of systems, and what the freedom fighters out the future of India we have not achieved yet. Agriculture sector, which is the backbone of our country, has almost spoiled by the policy maker. We should have to bolster this system. At last, I want to say that not a single nation is inbuilt perfect. It is made perfect by the citizens of India. So let's make India great by doing our job and fighting for our rights. I would also like to utilize this platform to welcome and thank you those people who have expected their unconditional love and support to this very program. Now I rest my voice with remembering the uncountable sacrifices of the freedom fighter. Let's take decision to value of our nation. Let's take decision to value of our nation. Shall not forget the sacrifices who give us the freedom. Shall not forget the sacrifices who give us the formation. And now it's our turn for a reformation. आजादी की कभी शाम नहीं होने देंगे, आजादी की कभी शाम नहीं होने देंगे, शहीदों की कुर्बानी कभी बदनाम नहीं होने देंगे। बची हो जो एक बूंद भी लहू की, तब तक भारत मां का आंचल नीलाम नहीं होने देंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।